My name is Rikesh Patel, Creative Director of WeTheSeeds Arts Agency, and welcome back to the channel. I'm here in North London, Chingford, about to transform the London Florist into a beautiful piece of window art advertising. Stay tuned for this video, make sure you like and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So let me take you through today's exciting piece. On the left hand side we have this kind of like moose reindeer thing. I don't know if it's a moose or reindeer, but anyway, so we got this moose reindeer and it's like basically smelling this flower. But the whole idea behind this piece is supposed to be a forest scene. It's not really supposed to be too wintry, but on the tips of those trees we're gonna have some snow covering them, and on the grass itself there's going to be some snow. It's like the snow is thawing and then the nature is coming out of the thawed snow. So it's more of a spring scene if more than a winter scene, even though we are in November at the moment. Anyway, in the middle of the piece we got this kind of rock pool, rocks on the left hand side. Sorry Michelle, you can go past. In the air we got some of these butterflies. There'll be different colours, they're looking very beautiful. Do some gold tinting on them as well. And then on the right side we have more kind of evergreen trees and more of these rocks over here as well. I'm joined here today with Michelle. Michelle is a local artist to Chingford in North London. Michelle, you want to just say a few words?
I cannot do.
She's a bit shy, but anyway, so Michelle, let me introduce you. So Michelle, I'm going to say a few words about yourself, maybe talk about Cindy Escapes as well.
Yeah, so my name is Michelle Heatherly and I'm a local resin artist. So I sell ocean resin art on my page called Cindy Escapes. And I haven't been an artist for very long, but it's something that I acquired, some skills that I acquired during the lockdown. And I'm trying to do my best to kind of utilize it. But yeah, I've been working with WeTheSeeds for the past 2 years now. And it's been really amazing because I had kind of the training to kind of paint these window, oh my goodness, glass pieces basically. So yeah, it's been really fun, and we're planning to do a couple of glass paintings around this area, and it's going to be really good.
And Michelle, how can we find you on social media?
So it's cindy.escapes, and you can find me on Instagram, Etsy as well, and Facebook.
Piece here is coming along beautifully. It's really looking like that amazing landscape scene that we pictured when we first started painting it. We've got the shadow layers in. Alison, our new artist from Chingford Mount, is just working on those lighter areas of the piece. That's what's going to make it really stand out. She's a local of Chingford Mount. I'm just going to see if I can get a quick interview with her. Let's go over to Alison. Alison, so you're a local of Chingford Mount in North London. Yeah. So would you like to introduce yourself and maybe like explain to the viewers like why you're so passionate about painting?
I love everything creative, and I was really happy to come back here today again to learn about window painting.
Cool. And like, what types of things did you paint before this? Like, before you started painting large scale windows, what were you painting before?
I did art at college a long time ago, and then I was a makeup artist, and now I'm really enjoying like doing bigger scale things and also things that involve not a client.
Nice, nice. So this is
The window doesn't move.
it doesn't move about. Not.
I like that.
Okay, cool. And so this is your second time painting windows with WeTheSeeds. Like, how are you finding the whole kind of learning the window process with us?
It's really exciting. I've been looking after my children for a few years, so it's really exciting to do something creative and express myself.
Very nice. All right, thanks, Alison. So here's some final clips of the completed window. My team and I had a great time painting this piece up in North London for the London Florists. Now, don't forget, if you're an artist, you can check the link in the description where we have a free window painting ebook where we reveal our 10 trade secrets to window art advertising. Now, we really hope you enjoyed this video as well, so make sure you like and make sure you subscribe to this channel. My name is Vikesh Patel, Creative Director of WeTheSeeds Public Arts Agency, and we look forward to catching you in the next video.